Next is installation of the compressor housing. First, insert the O-ring between the bearing housing and compressor housing. Apply grease to the O-ring before inserting it. When installing the compressor housing, take care not to damage the compressor impeller. Align using the marks made before disassembly. Install the washers and the hexagonal bolts. Install the silencer. Turn the turbine wheel by hand to check that it turns lightly without any hitches or contact noise. That completes reassembly of the turbocharger.